Hey everybody, it's Wendy Mack, and thank you again for coming back to my channel. I think we're going to do a quick unboxing of a Spellbinders Glimmer Refurbished machine that I got a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to tell you, boy, was I excited when I got this. I mean, just looking at the box, there's a couple of dents or whatever, but when I opened it up, oh, you wouldn't believe it. So again, I saw this on their uh, site, 50% off the original price, along with a bunch of other of their tools, like their die machines and their better press, which I already have. But I haven't used it yet, but I will. But anyways, let me off to my yakking. But anyways, look at this. So again, like I said, I got this 50%. So this is like 75 bucks. But look, I mean, really, is that used? I mean, there is no marks on it. I was blown away. I mean, there's nothing. And then it even came with foil. I mean, 2 rolls of foil. Yeah, of course, I looked at the cord. It looked like it wasn't even, taken out of the bag at all. And here's our mats and our plates, which was what I was really interested in looking at, because they were saying there might be a little, there might be a couple cuts or whatever. But, that's what you expect. But look at this. There's like maybe a rub or two, if that. I mean, and look here. That is a brand new mat. I guess that's what you put your press plates on to cool them off. But I mean, and then here is the shim. Again, there was nothing on it. That's a brand new plate. I don't know. And then they give me a die. I mean, a plate with it. Who does that? The Spellbinders, I guess. You don't expect all those extras with the refurbished machine. And, it even showed that there was a die pickup tool that was on the box. And I thought, well, surely that doesn't come with it. No, because I hadn't seen it. And then, I'm just, gloating all over this, because I'm thinking, I got a press plate. I got the foil. And oh my God, if I almost fell over. The magnetic pickup tool was hidden. I would have, I couldn't believe it. So it does come with everything. And they did give you the option of getting this, which I guess is the platinum version, but another one. But anyways, I want to tell you what, Spellbinders, you blew it out of the park. This is awesome. Thank you guys for coming. And look forward to seeing you next time.